Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys are having a very nice day. In this video I'm going to show you how can you fix Instagram Messenger icon not showing after update. So if it is not showing, there are some solution for it. The first step is you need to check if there is any update for Instagram or not. So go to Play Store and just search Instagram. After searching for it, in the open option you will see an update. If you see an update, just update it immediately. And after updating, or if you don't have the update, the problem isn't solved yet, you can just join this beta program. After joining the beta program, you can just use new feature that hasn't launched in Instagram. By that, you can also fix your messenger icon. And even after that your problem isn't solved yet, the next solution for the problem is clearing cache and data. So just long press on your Instagram app and click on this eye icon. Now in the bottom last, here you will see clear data. Just click on clear data and OK. And even after that the problem hasn't solved yet, you can just log out from your ID and log in again. And even after that your problem hasn't solved yet, the last solution for it, just uninstall the app and reinstall again. And after that your problem will be solved. So guys, that's how you can solve the problem. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to Tech Team channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.